All right, you trader nerds, how are y'all? Good to see 21 of you here. Herb, Brian, Charles, DB, Don, Dwayne, Edwin, Glenn, Hal, James, James G, Jen, John, Kurt, Matt, Jolly Wally, Mo, Quentin. Hey, Quentin, SD, and Tom and Vicky. So glad to have all of you here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you had a great Christmas. We had a great Christmas. I can't believe we're all still alive and fine and wonderful, but it was just a warm and glorious feeling yesterday as we gathered with family for Christmas. So really, really good. Since we didn't trade yesterday, y'all, I think what we're going to do today is trade all five accounts, if y'all don't mind. I just like to get updated with them. I like seeing them what my accounts did having a day off. You know, my Monday, Wednesday, Friday accounts, like having an extra day of theta. So let's kind of see how those are doing. Not much to say with the market. Market up 0.34%. Where are we? Oh, be still. There we go. So we are there. And so market's up, AD going up, VIX is at 13, no volume whatsoever. Be careful, you zero DTE traders. You can get big, humongous movements on very low volume. Doesn't take much. So just be careful out there. Let's look at what our big green monster looks like. Big green monster. Oh, we're going back up to the top level here of 48.30. I would anticipate that to be what we would say a double top, so to speak. And it should be a little bit of resistance before we come back into this area. And then we'll finally bust through that, right? It'll probably take a couple times, once, twice, three times a lady, and we'll probably bust through that. But always we've got this as a point of control, which is a magnet. This is a magnet as well. Now, the longer that we go along without coming down here, the less this becomes a magnet. And eventually these volumes here will run off, and then it'll look something like this. You just scratch those out. So it'll become less of a magnet the farther down the road that we go. This is only a 10-day outlook, right? So everything looks good. Let's look at the linear regression, see what she looks like. Okay. Okay. I see you, linear regression. So we're kind of going up, and up. Let's see. Volume on the up move is now going downward a little bit, but that's holiday downward. So it's hard to. Hey, Abby, can y'all get out? Daddy's in a session. It's really distracting when y'all are in the background and I'm trying to do a session. Y'all need to go to the other room. Lord, help us all. All right. So let's see how our Crimson account's doing first. Crimson, let's go to monitor. Now, I took a couple $1,000s out of this one, and I will be taking more out before the end of the year because I got some legal expenses to pay. So we are at 29.87. 29.87. Let's put that in there. 29.87. 29.80. What's wrong with my thing? Here we go. 29.87. And let's see, if I took out 2,000, where would I put that? I'd go, let's see, I guess I go here. I go 2,000 minus 2,000. And this would make this 21,017, right? Make sure my math is right. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Can't believe we're down $30. That's crazy. So today is 12/26/23. Okay, good. Greeks and ratios on this account now. Let's see what we're doing. Oh, here we are. 1765.11. 1711. 1711. Make sure we ain't got any field orders. Now we got all these working orders going. 1711. Come here, Bobby. 17 and 11. VIX we said was at 13. And our buying power usage is only 4,115. Wow. 4,115. That's nothing, is it? And that's because we've got that big black swan hedge in there now. So we're only using 19% of our account. We've got the hedges on. Friday in the Muscadine Mafia Hello Ladies Gang session.
Hello, ladies.
What did AM do, Matt? Is it up big or is it down big? We will be talking about how many black swan hedges should you have in comparison to how many? Oh, it's up. Wow, up 141. Wow. How many black swan hedges you should have per 111 or 112 positions, which should be really, really good. So I think what this one is telling me, y'all, is that we need to take profits, right? Or that we need to now this one is one that I didn't put in, but I was just playing with it. Let me take this out. That was a ghost trade that's not been put in yet. So there we go. So, oh, what happened there? Ref, if and short ran ref. Let's get this fixed. There we go. All right, so let's see if anything needs change, needs adjusted. Now, the other thing that we got to do is we need to come over here and see if anything's at 95% profit, right? Because that's where we put those out too. So let's see what we got here. See if we got any 95%ers out here. We got 73, 73, 63, 57. Nope, nothing to take off. But I think we'll put on us a little trade today. So let's go to the trade tab. So if you're new, what we trade is we trade a little trade called the 112. So we go into the micros. Why the micros? Because that's where we go. That is the micro E-mini. And we go to 120 days out. Right. So we got this 115. And then we're going to sell a naked put at 5% probability of being in the money. So let's do these 40-50s here. That's a 6% probability of being in the money. So let's do the 40-50s. And let's do 2 of them at 18. Come on, baby. Feel me, baby. Feel me. 115. We did the 40-50s at 18. 40-50s at 18. So let's put that in. 40-50 at 18. And we said that was 115 days, right? And we did it on the 26th, the day after Jesus' birthday. And we did this in the micros. And we did 2 contracts, or I think I did. We'll see if we did. Let's see. This is NP 107 puts, and this is naked. Did I do 2 trades, 2 contracts? I hope I did. Let's see. Build orders. Yeah, 2 of those. All right, good. So let's go back to the trade tab. Then you got to do the put debit spread, right? So about the 25 delta. So we'll buy the 4650, 4600s. There we go for $9. Let's put them in 4650, 40. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Get that penny, nickel it up a little bit. Hey, what did I do? Did I cancel it? Crap. Bobby. You darn no fool. All right. Buy the 4650. Sell the 4600. 9 1/4. Let's see if we get filled there. There we go. Got filled at 920. 920. Put him in. Let's see. So we got filled at 920. The 4650, 4600. 4600. Puts. Debit spread. 115. 12, 26, 23. There we go. And let's put him over here. So that's micro. We should change this to 1 of those. And this is PDS 107. Ta-da! There we go. Looking good, Bob. Looking good. Now, let's just see what our Analyze tab looks like. Y'all want to? We ain't done this in a while. And I've got extra time today, so it may be a longer session. If y'all don't want to stay for a longer session, y'all just head on out anytime. But let's see what our little risk graph looks like here. So here we go. It's the 26. Let's see what we want to do here. We want to go just our show all. We want to hide simulations. And then make sure everything is in there. Oh, we want to do portfolio beta weighted. Okay, now we got our ES trades and all that stuff. So we need to take out our T-bills. T-bills. So to just show us our stuff. There we go. So if we were to have a 20% down move, we'd lose $17,920. But if you look at it as far as ball steps, just see how bad it looks. Right? Of course, we'd be managing this risk to the downside anyway, but it's kind of cool that you see we've got some lift there. So 4 down would be down $24,000. So it would blow up our account. All right, so there would be some things that we would do on the way down, but I just think it's neat to kind of look at this every now and then. And then what you look at is on the 12% down, you want to make sure that you are not having, a blow up of your account. So we're good here. We're looking really good. All right, looking really good. All right, so what are we doing now? Let's go to Crimson count. So let's go close that one. We've got that one all done, right? Everything's done, needs no management. Let's close this. Let's go to the smaller Tasty account. Let's see if we can find that one. So this is the Tasty account right here. Let's see, it's this one right here. Here we go. So we are at 41,845. 41,845. That doesn't look right. Why does that not look right? Let me refresh. 41,845. Yeah. Yeah, that looks right. That's what we look right there. Oh crap. Hold on. Let me go get my net lick. Jeez. Ah, it's hard being me, y'all. Let's do this again so we can see what our net lick is. And that one is, all right, let's do this here so we can see our net lick. Here we go. It was 41,845. Yeah. We got you 41,853. 41,853. So let's put that in. 41,853. Oh, look at that, y'all. 41,853. Praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
That's what I thought would have happened in the other count. Not sure why our other count went down. This is nicely up, so this one. So this account is at make sure I'm on the right one. 4 and 5 deltas and thetas. Why? Because we've got that black swan hedge in there, right? 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So let's put that in. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Fixes at 13. And our buying power is.
Okay, Dad.
Hey, Daddy's in the class, Judge. I can't just have conversations with you. Hey, it's just I can't do it right now. I just can't do it right now. I'm in a class.
No, let me show you.
Don't shoot me
I'm not.
with a Nerf gun. Hey, don't point that at your brothers and sisters or your animals, okay? Oh, that's cool. Hey, did you get batteries for it?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Got a Nerf gun there. All right, so we are using only $2,400 in capital because of that stupid thing. So let's see, have we got any working orders in this one? Yes, we do. So we're doing that. Let's see. What are our positions in ES? ES, we got 1, 1, 1, 1, and then we've got 12 and 20. Okay, so we've got a working order to close these at 20%. Okay, I just want to make sure what I got on. So 4, 5, and we're using $4,000 in buying power. $4,000 in buying power, so we can put on a trade here. So let's go and let's do, make sure we're trading the right one. This one. And we're going to go to the MES. And we're going to go trade. And let's go out to 115 days, just like we did a while ago. And let's see. We're going to buy where we've already sold. We don't sell where we've bought or bought where we buy where we sell. So we've already bought there. We've already sold there. So 760. Let's try to get that in there. There. Come on, baby. I can move you up. No problem. So let's go to 775. See if we get filled. Now we are in. So let's go back to 115 days. Let's sell our 5% probability of being in the money. So we'll do the 4,000s. Let's do 2 of those. Bump that up to the mid price or close to it. Let's do 1650 and get in and winga. We are done. Okay, so that does that account. Now let's go to the fund account. Oh, let's look and see what this one looks like first, though. Yep. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful risk curve? Make money if it goes up, and if it goes down, we make lottery money. All right, good. So let's go to the other one. This IRA, we are at 461, 457, 461, 457, 461, going once, twice, thrice, 457, 461, 457, 461, 457, 461, 457. Oh, look at this, y'all. 457, 461. Wow.
Well, we're moving on now to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Look at there, y'all. Since Friday, we are up $2,821, and we are up $7,400 since we started this. On our first trade was November the 8th, I think. When was our first trade? No, November the 2nd. Okay. So we're doing really, really good there. All right, let's look at our correction ratios here. That's nice. I'm very happy with that. So over here, let's go to do that. Let's do this one. So here we are using 121,200 in buying power, 121,200. And our correction ratios are 247, 240. 247, 240. Nice, baby, nice. It's a 13. Okay, so nothing to do until tomorrow is our regular trading day in this account. So we'll put on more tranches tomorrow, but we're only using 26% of our buying power. So this account looks really, really good. Really, really good. And let's just see how much. Let's look at this again. I could stare at that all day long. You know, if the price goes down to here, we're going to make. What's the amount that it makes over here? How come my selected value is not over there? Normally there's a value over there. Maybe it's so high I can't even remember. Are you hedging these trades like AMD or just having the shares? Charles, I got to talk to y'all about the AMD account. I am now 100% in BIL in those accounts. And it's a long story, but I took the profits and run on those. I took the profits and run instead of using AIM. So I feel ashamed about that account. But anyway, it's in 100% bill right now. That account's in 100% bill. I can show you that account. You'll too. That account is, where is it? This one. And we are in positions bill, just bill. And I'm using 99.9%. No more AIM on that account for the time being. Give me a second. I may redo it, but we did really good because we made $9,719 on the year. We were up to $11,000 on the year on that one. So we did really good with it, but I'm pausing the AIM for the moment. Long story. That's why I'm doing it, but nonetheless. All right, so what were we doing now? So now we're doing this one, right? So here, oh, we've already got everything here. Yeah. Okay, 449. So everything's good here. We're using 98% of our buying power, 98% of our buying power. Everything is filled up with bill. So I think we're good there. I think we're good. So let's close that account. And now let's go to the IRAs really quick like. So that would be the Beth and Bob 203 account. Sorry, y'all, we trade a lot of accounts here. 94,199, 94,199. So let's put that in. 94,199. 94,199. Look at that, y'all. 94,199. Fire up that band
Well,
Rico.
we're moving on now to the east side.
Wow.
To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Then I'm just looking over here to see if we got an auto close signal on anything telling me that it's time to close it. I do not see a signal. So now let's do our Greeks and ratios. Greeks and ratio. God, it's even T-bill Tuesday, y'all. Wow. I mean, we got so much to do. So here we go. Bob Bet 203. Our stuff here is here we go. We are at 65.70. 65.70. 65.70. Do you see what I see? We're a little blue, y'all. Can't let that happen. And our buying power is a measly 24.8. So we need to put theta on. Y'all know the story. So let's go trade. MES, 115 days. Let's do this. We'll do a double truncher today. 775. Let's do 2 of those. Oh, there we go. 775. Nice. 775. So 775 would be the 4,600, 4,550. Oh, 4,600. Hey, Beth, stop them with that. I can't hear. 7.75. Y'all getting me all discombobulated. Come on, baby. There we go. So we're going to do a 4 and a 2. And we're going to call this naked put 107 and PDS 107. Puts, debit spread 115, 12, 26, 23. And what do we say? 775. Beautiful. Beautimous. Now let's go do our naked one. So we've got to sell 4 of those. And we did the 40, 50 in the other account. So let's do 40, 50 here. Let's do 2, 3, 4. And let's bump that up to 18. There we go. 40, 50 at 18. Put that in. 40, 50 at 18. 40, 50. $18. $18. Oh, what happened there? Puts, naked, 115, 12, 26, 23. All right, let's go put them in their groups. And we also need to see if anything's at 95%, right? So let's go group these up. And let's see, these go to T-bills. Then this goes to nakeds. Well, if this is your first time, you're like, what the hell is he doing? Let's put debit spreads. All right, and then let's look at our short puts and see if anything is at 95%. What is this? Futures and futures up. Okay, that's a 66%. 93%, y'all. Wow, waka. But it's not 95%, and I think my thing says 95%. So let's don't close them. Let's leave them on. But we're getting close to getting those off. We don't have any working orders in here. Do I have any? I don't guess I put any hedges on in this account. Okay. Let's see. T-bills, put debit said. Yeah, I didn't put any hedges in on this account. That's fine. All right, so let's go to the final account. Is there going to be a live on BSH this Friday, and how many trunches to set up, or was it on Friday because I didn't hear? It's going to be this Friday, and we're going to do a live Muscadine Mafia Hello Ladies game session on it. So we'll go into specifically how to know how many Black Swan hedges you want per unit of.
Mom wants me to show everyone the puppy.
Okay, she wants to show everybody her puppy she got for Christmas, y'all. Look at this.
It's
And
mine.
Isn't he pretty? He's what you call a dorky. He's a, what is it, Beth? A dash hound / Yorkie put together. Isn't he cute? Hey there, little buddy. Hey there, buddy. You licking my nose?
It's my puppy.
I know it's your puppy. Oh, he got puppy breath. That's nasty. Well, bring me something to wipe my nose off with. Unbelievable. You should have seen her, y'all. When she got it for Christmas, she started crying. She was tears of happiness. All right, so let's go to the final account, 2030 account. Did I answer everybody's question? Oh, I did. Let's see how we're doing on this one. Did this count go up? Let's see what we got here. We got how to check the account balance. Here we go. Net lick and day trades. We are at 29,881. 29,881. 29,881. Oh yeah, 29,881. Bring in the money, Jack.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in
JoJo wants to show you his ultra Nerf gun. Y'all see that? Isn't that great? I like that, JoJo. Yes, there was a Muscadine Mafia on Friday. It is in the Muscadine Mafia chat room. It was just for the Muscadine Mafia members. Y'all remember how we do that, right? Like Ninja Nerds get one extra session a month. Then Hello Ladies Gang gets one every other week.
Hello, ladies.
And then Muscadine Mafia, we do it every Friday, pretty much every Friday. That's kind of how it works. All right, so let's go to our freaks and ratios over here. What? You want to show them yours? I can't show them yours. Here, let me show you what this is. So this is a gymnastics ball. Hold on a second. I'm going to show off their toys, Steve. You lean over that or something. What's this called, baby?
I shot it. A barrel.
It's a barrel. You lean over it and do your flips and everything. Yeah. So they're all excited about the Christmas gifts. What was I doing? What was I doing? Okay, we did good. So we're at 29, 27, 29, 27, 29, 27. And VIX is 13. And our buying power usage is, hey, don't turn my computer up, y'all. 9,500. 9,500. So I can stand to put on some trades here. Now we're at 0.09. Let's see if anything says that it needs to be taken off. No. And let's go over here and see if anything is at 95% or greater. 95% or greater. Let's see. Naked puts. Here we go. Naked puts. We got 91, 90, 60, 60, 30, negative. Yeah, so we're good to go. So let's put on some more. Trade tab. We'll go to 115 days. So if you watch this one session, you should know exactly how to do this now. Go to the 5% probability of being in the money, anywhere in here. And so let's sell some 4,000s and bump that up a little bit. And we'll do 2 of those, or the 4,000. Come on, baby. Come on, little fella. Come on, get out of my way. The working order, we'll do this 4,000s for 1625. 4,000 for 1625. Build, baby. 4,000s for 1625. Let's put that in. So 4,000s for 1625. 16.25. And it's the 4,000. And this is our put debit, our naked put. So we'll call this NP 106 naked 126. No, 115, sorry. 115. It's 1226, 26, 23. And puts. Beautiful. Now let's do our, go ahead and put this in here. We want to do one thing of our put debit spreads. And I think we're going to do those at the same thing. PDS 106. And let's do 4,600, 4,550s. Puts debit spread 115, 12, 26, 23. And let's do let's see how much it's gonna cost us. So we got to go where we went on before. We're in a 24, 25 delta, right? Which is around in here. So we want to buy what we bought and sold what we sell. That's fine. 65 there and 55 there. Get to 70, 75. Let's do for 785. 785 it is. 785 it is. Okay. So that's good. Now let's see, make sure we don't have any 95 percenters. Have we already checked that on this one? Let's see. Naked puts. Yeah, 91, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. And then let's go put these into their groups. Unallocated. Here we go. So we got, this one goes to a T-bill group. And these are, where'd my nakeds go? They must put them in a group because we already got those strikes. So we'll move this to group, put debit spreads. Okay. That's it, y'all. So hang in there, and when we now go and we'll do our T-bills. See y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.